2010 Toyota Tacoma. Hey, this is Tim. Hey, we got 2010 Toyota Tacoma. And it only works on high. So we know what this is. You don't have any resistance on high. It's just a straight output. You got resistance on low, medium. So we will be doing a resistor, which is this little part right there, and putting a new plug on it because the other ones get heated up and burn up. That's what a lot of the problems come from. So what you'll do is you'll just match them up on here, and it comes your little heat shrink in your box to do it, and I'll show you that here in just a second. Just locate it right up under here. This is your old one. You're gonna have two. There's another little bolt behind here. You just have to feel for it. I think they're 7/32, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 7/32. You'll take this one off. Then you got one on the other side. Of course, unplug it. Then we're gonna take these off here from the side. Undo your blower motor here like that, and pop these off the side here like this, so you got some room. And we're gonna cut these, make sure it ain't burning up anywhere. We'll cut these about right here, and then we'll stretch these out because we ain't gonna need that long. We'll stretch these out to what we need, and we'll cut it. Alright, and we'll pop the bones off here in just a second. Let me get this other bolt. You might want to move your carpet kind of down like that so you can get to this other one underneath there, and then I'm going to pull this out. Ain't no quick easy way to do it. It's just how you have to do it. That's the old one. New ones are a little different, but do the same thing. Alright, we're gonna get this. Take your little trim. You're gonna pull it out of here. Kind of give you some room. We'll go pull this back some, and I'll show you what it looks like here in a minute. Okay, as you can see with the old one, it gets kind of burned up right there. They always had like it's like on the third one that one's burned up. That's why it comes with a new harness. They kind of know what you're gonna need this, so they know it's a problem. But anyway, these are color coded, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these up like that, and I'm gonna stretch these down, and then I'm gonna cut them and line them up, and I'll show you how that looks. Alright, so I trim these. Of course, you just take your strippers, strip all these. I cut it about this far off of here. That's good enough. And then we're going to take this one here like this, and we'll just kind of let it right there. Probably good. Alright, then we'll hook that up to these. Of course, you know they're color coded, so when you go here, like this. You got your green one here, so your green one's here. So it'll be your green one right here. Of course, I got to strip these. Alright, it's going to be coming with these. And of course, you got your green here on this side. So we're going to do the green first. Kind of twist that a little bit. Push that up in there. Of course, give it a good squeeze. Get a yank, make sure it's good in there. Alright, make sure you got them nice and twisted so they go right in that hole. Right in there, like that. And squeeze where that metal is right there. There you go. And of course, do it on all of them. Just make sure you line everything up. Of course, that'll go there. The next one on. Alright, that's how it should look. I had one of them break on me, but I had one of these, so that's okay. Well, that's how it's going to look. Of course, you just hook everything back up. This is how it should look when you're all done. Gonna put it up there all nice and neat. Okay, now it works on low, medium, low, medium, and of course, high. So if you got a blower motor that only works on high, this is what you need to do in your Toyota Tacoma. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on.